Hi, I'm Warren Norrid, and I practice law here in downtown Arlington, Texas. And I'm here today to tell you what you can do if you feel as though you've been towed illegally. First things first, you have to go get your car. If you went home last night and you found your car was missing, the cheapest thing to do is go get the car. Calling an attorney will not make it any faster or easier. There are things we can do later, but the first thing is to go get your car. It's the cheapest thing to do. Now when you go get your car, you're going to get a tow receipt. The tow receipt has a lot of information on it in fine print. You're going to need that tow receipt, so don't lose it. And when you get your car, you go back to where the car was towed from and get your camera out and take a picture of the sign that is on the parking lot where your car was towed from. You're going to need that picture even if it's not important for purposes of your car being towed. If your car was towed and handicapped incorrectly or whatever the case may be, you need a picture of the sign. You'll take a picture of the sign, you'll take the tow receipt, and you go to the Justice of the Peace Court where the car was towed from. The law has changed on this recently. Some Justice of the Peace will tell you to go somewhere else. Do whatever they tell you to do. But the general rule is you go to the Justice of the Peace where the car was towed from. And you pay $25 and you fill out a piece of paper called an application for a tow hearing. A tow hearing is an opportunity to talk to a judge about whether or not your car should have been towed. It's probable cause. In other words, the tow company has to show up and defend their decision to tow you. And there are a lot of things they can do wrong. But when you fill out that paperwork for the tow hearing, you're going to need to have that tow receipt, and you're going to need to have a picture of the signs that were on the parking lot when your car was towed. If you don't have the picture, then your case will be most likely tossed out. So make sure that you get that and fill out all that out, and then you can go before the judge. This is a Justice of the Peace Court. Typically there are no attorneys involved, unless of course you call me and I help you. And occasionally the tow company will have an attorney. But the Justice of the Peace Court is made for people who don't have attorneys generally. So don't be intimidated. It's not a hard place to be, and you're not going to have to know a lot of arcane rules. Of course, you can call us and have representation at the tow hearing. I can represent you at the tow hearing and then turn around and represent you at a civil suit where you can get $1,000 plus triple the fees that you had to pay to get your car out, plus the attorney's fees. Of course, a civil suit is a much more complex proceeding than a tow hearing, but it's a very effective way to help ill-behaving tow companies start following the law. If you have any questions on this or any other similar situation, feel free to give us a call at Law Office of Warren V. Norrid, 817-704-3984. It's 817-704-3984. You can find us on the web at norridlaw.com. That's NORREDLAW.com, norridlaw.com. Thanks and have a good day.